Ang mga umaangalan po sa akin, yung pamilya ko, mga friends ko. Ngayon, maraming tao na po yung umaanga sa akin. Naiiyak ako. Bilang pinakabatang contestant po ng X Factor, kaya ko po kumanta ng mga bagong songs ngayon.
Yung song na pinili ko from the movie Arrogant, ito yung napili ko sa kanya because I know bagay sa boses niya. Watching Allen from the very beginning till now, the way she performs, yung talaga masasabi mo na, unique. We don't have that yet here in the Philippines.
Dahil po dun sa song na yun, na-feel ko po na swak na swak po kami ni Miss Cherise. And masaya po ako dun.
Ito pa lang yung simula. I think everybody should get it.
Tonight, makikita po nila yung hindi ko pa napapakita dati. Sana magustuhan po nilang lahat yung kakantahin ko.
Alice Santa Maria.
That was beautiful. That was absolutely beautiful. Charisse, you have everything to be proud of. You know, we see you crying in the hallways. Ito yung pinakatakot sa lahat ng mga 12 contestants. Siya yung pinakatakot dito sa likod. Umiyak at umiyak palagi. But you know what? You have everything to be proud of tonight.
Thank you!
That was beautiful.
Thank you po!
Pero please, don't cry. Don't cry muna kasi talaga naman you're so good. You have such a wonderful mentor. You're so good.
You know, Charisse, nahuli niya kung anong dapat mong ipalabas sa tao. You, from the very start, nung nag-audition ka, kami ni Charisse parang iba to, no? May swag. Ngayon, wala masyadong swag, pero iba yung pinakita mo, iba. And for 16 years old, can you imagine, 16 ka pa lang, pero eto na yung pinapakita mo sa amin. I can only imagine when the years go by. I'm proud.
Thank you.
Very happy for
Thank
you.
you, thank you.
Nanginginig ako kasi habang kumakanta siya, kinakabahan talaga ako. Talagang feeling ko, talagang kapatid ko siya. Actually, kayong lahat, isa pa lang ito sa mga girls ko, ha? sobrang proud ako sa'yo, Allen. Again, sa simula, ngayon, ang laki ng pinagbago mo. You look so beautiful.
Thank you so much po.
Congratulations. So proud of you.
Good job, Bon Samson. Great job.
Oh, Allen! Huwag ka nang umiyak, ha? Masaya lang po talaga ako.
Oh, because she is living out her dream. Ito na talaga ang pangarap. Parang concert na nga yung ginawa mo eh. Mga kapamilya, to vote for Alan at the end of the show, it's XF space Alan. Thank you very much, Alan. Our youngest performer this season. Ngayon naman mga kapamilya, turn naman ng boys category, Martin. Judge Martin, who is our next performer for the night?
Our next performer is somebody whose confidence sometimes palaging wala. Pero ngayon, I'm sure he's very confident because I am confident about Gabriel.
Hindi ko na-expect na yan ang lalabas sa katawan mo sa lahat. You are part of my top 3.
Oh my God! Pumasok po ako dito na walang confidence sa sarili. Siguro sa itsura ko din sa boses din kasi hindi naman talaga ako bilib sa boses ko. Insecure lang po din talaga ako kaya wala akong confidence.
The song I chose for Gabriel, a song that's very popular, so is the movie it came with.
Nung sinabi po sa akin ni Sir Martin kung ano yung kakantahin ko, sobrang nagulat ako kasi lirit yun eh. Tsaka hindi ko alam kung paano ko kakantahin yung ganun.
So what's next? Maghahanap sila ng hindi sa perfect note niya, kundi sa pagkakamali niya.
Pero ang ginawa ko, pina-arrange ko na iba, mas Gabriel ang feel.
Nung narinig ko na yung kanta na in-arrange na ni Mr. Mon Faustino, ang ganda. Sobrang napakalaking honor po na yung kakantahin mo si Mr. Mon Faustino yung mag-arrange. Bibigyan ko po ng twist yung song na parang ako talaga yung kumanta. Eto ako. This is me.
Gabriel Maturan.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. See, we'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it rain, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it rain, 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 hey, hey, Gabby! My God, from the first time I saw him, he has improved. He even became more guapo now.
Oh my God!
Just because your mentor is guapo too. Diba? Congratulations. Very,
Thank you
very.
so much.
My goodness, you have really improved so much. Congratulations.
Yes! Thank you so much, Titi. Gabriel, from the very start, together with your mentor, pinag-usapan ka na namin. Even bago nagkaalaman kung sino ang magme-mentor sa mga groups, no? Tonight, however, I saw you do something na hindi ko pa nakikita, which is you know how to move. move. Hindi ko sinabing, teka, hindi ko sinabing dance, okay? Pero okay lang yun dahil hindi naman kailangan marunong sumayaw. Dapat marunong gumalaw. And that's what you have. So I'm surprised. Vocally, I think you can do better. But dahil nalagyan mo ng konting galaw na hindi ko na-expect, pretty good. Pretty good.
Thank you so much, Tito Brian.
Naaliw ako sa performance niya. Naaliw ako sa mga dancers na sumasayaw sa likod niya. Nakalimutan kong malungkot pala yung kanta. No, in fairness talaga, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Natatakot tuloy ako sa mga next pang mga magpe-perform. Lahat talaga nag-improve. So far, ang galing.
Thank you so much, Miss
Gabriel, you did a great job. I'm so proud of you. You'll have to forgive my brother, though, because he's used to hearing more than one voice at the same time in his category of groups. So maybe he's not hearing what we're all hearing, the magic.
Bro,
He's only one guy, you know?
when he did one of those songs in the boot camp, I heard his voice. So I thought that's what I would hear. But it's not that he did bad. Hindi
Yeah,
sa masama
well.
yung ginawa niya. But that's why I'm excited because I would love to see you again.
We all would love to see you again, especially Davao del Norte is texting at the end of this show. Right, JC?
Yes, that's right. Wow, para akong nag-ice skating dito. Pumasok ang ulan sa Pagcor Theater. Biyaya yan, di ba? Alright. Gab, nung nag-umpisa tayo with 20,000 auditionees, nakita namin na ibang-iba ang confidence mo then and now. Saan mo nakuha yung confidence mo for tonight's performance?
Alam niyo po, unang-una sa mga fans na sumusuporta po sa akin. Na-shock po ako dahil ang dami ng mga messages sa Facebook. Tapos pinapagawa pa ako ng Twitter. Ayan po, tsaka yung mentor namin. Sobrang galing ni
Alright.
Sir Martin Magna.
Okay, mga kapamilya, to vote for Gabriel, tandaan, accept space, Gab, G-A-B. Voting lines, guys, will be open at the end of the show. But for now, another round of applause for Gab! Alright, after the break, ang contestants naman ni na Miss Felita and Gary V ang bibida on stage. Abangan yan sa pagbabalik ng X Factor Philippines!